I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we're talking about Rolling Loud, New York 2022. Nicki Minaj, APRocky, and Future to headline Rolling Loud, New York 2022. Danny Brown, 21 Savage, Shinsia, Baby Tron, Lil Uzi Vert, and others are on the bill for the Queens Festival. Nicki Minaj, APRocky, and Future are the headliners for Rolling Loud New York 2022. The music festival takes place September 23rd through September 25th at Citi Field in Queens, New York. Additional performers on the lineup include Lil Uzi Vert, Chief Keef, Baya, Danny Brown, Baby Tron, Conway the Machine, Big Sean, 21 Savage, Benny the Butcher, Shinsia, and No Cap. Check out the lineup in the poster below. Future is a Rolling Loud fixture. Future is a Rolling Loud fixture. Okay. Having performed and headline the festival on several occasions at Rolling Loud 2018, he brought Nicki Minaj on stage. Coming up, he'll headline this year Rolling Loud events in Miami and Toronto. APRocky has also performed at Rolling Loud multiple times, having headlined the event in New York and Los Angeles in 2019, as well as Rolling Loud Miami 2021. This is the poster. Okay, so definitely on Friday, I'm not going to try to miss anybody's names, but I'm not going to go over everybody's names. Respect to all of the performers. Obviously, Nicki's there, Lil Uzi Vert, Moneybagg Yo, The Baby, Fabio Foreign, Sleepy Hollow, Chief Keef, right? G Herbo's out there, Danny Brown. Okay. Baby Tron, okay. And then on Saturday, September 24th, we got APRocky headlining over Lil Baby, okay. A Boogie with the hoodie, Busta Rhymes is out there, Kevin Gates, Key Glock, Soulja Boy, okay, Conway the Machine, Shinsia is on Saturday. So Saturday's lineup is super dope. Let me see. Okay. Saturday's lineup is super dope. And then the Sunday festival, the Sunday lineup headline by Future, September 25th. Future, 21 Savage, Big Sean, Pusha T, Fat Joe, Dej Loaf, Benny the Butcher, Currency is out there. I would go any night, but man, I think Sunday's lineup is super dope, right? Like a lot of those artists I would definitely love to see. Let me see. If I could go, I'll probably go on Friday. I ride with Sleepy Hollow, oh so heavy. So for me on this list, from everyone I would really want to see, I definitely would love to see Sleepy Hollow. That's just me from this list. So I would be looking at Friday. I ride with Nicki Minaj, heavy, Lil Uzi Vert, Fabio Foreign. So Friday definitely stands out to me. Dope lineup. I gotta admit, this is a super dope lineup for a New York festival, for a Queens festival, Rolling Loud 2022 in Queens, New York. I am Jason, the world is yours. Today we were talking about the Rolling Loud 2022 lineup, New York City, Queens, Citi Field lineup, September 23rd through September 25th, 2022. Headlined by Nicki Minaj, APRocky, and Future. Thank you for watching.